Hello there, welcome to our channel Login Helps again. Hope you are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to log into your Xero accounting software from your UK domain. And now without further ado, let's start right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Okay, on your computer, first open up your preferred browser, as I have already opened the Google Chrome. And now to log into your Xero accounting software on UK domain, click on the search bar of your browser and type in xero.com/uk and hit enter. You will see the home page of Xero, which is for the United Kingdom website, and you can see the URL on United Kingdom website. Now to log into a United Kingdom website Xero account, click on the login, and after that you'll be required to enter your email over here and your password over here, and then click on login to sign into your Xero account on your UK domain. And if you forgot your password, simply click on forgot password to retrieve your password by going through a certain procedure. And if you can't log in, just click over here and you tell your problem to the Xero administrators. And if you have not yet signed up for the Xero, you can see the sign up option over here. And guys, this is how you log into your Xero accounting software on UK domain from your computer. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.